The rising popularity of zero-tolerance policies towards bad behavior in schools is feeding a mental health crisis among teachers. Teachers have complained.
Head teachers are carrying an increasingly punitive approach to fields such as the use of detention, isolation and exclusion for students who break rules, delegates in the National Union of Teachers, NUT, annual conference were told.
Jonathan Rediford, a delegate from North Somerset, said that in some cases, imposing a zero-tolerance behavioral policy is nothing short of child abuse.
He told of a female pupil who was kicked out of school for speaking on her mobile phone, which was against the rules.
She was speaking to her mum who was in the military and had been deployed to Iraq, Mr. Rediford.
It was the first time she had spoken to her mum for 30 days and she gets kicked out because of it.
Where is the humanity in that? This is not going to help us build strong, confident, resilient young people.
Michael Holland, a teacher from Lambeth in South London, said that zero-tolerance behaviour policies are cruel, Victorian, Dickensian.
He added that they punish working-class children the most, and black and minority ethnic, BME, pupils are more likely to be excluded.
He said that children should not be sent home because they have a sharp haircut or their shoes aren't totally black.
Earlier this year, the headmaster of Charter Academy in Great Yarmouth wrote to parents to explain that the Mimi at McDonald's haircut, among others, is banned at the school.
Barry Smith, who was drafted in to turn the previously failing school around, threatened to send home or put in isolation pupils who failed to change their hairstyle.
Parents criticized the ban, but Ofsted backed Mr. Smith and praised improvements at the academy following his introduction of a strict behavior policy.
Mr. Smith instigated a raft of new rules at the school, including a ban on chewing gum.
If any pupils are found chewing up in school, they would be placed in isolation, he told parents. Merchants Academy in Bristol also has strict policies which parents said have seen children punished for having shoes which are too shiny, tapping tables and looking at the clock.
Parents claimed that pupils who flout rules have been forced to wear lanyards stating "I have 24 hours to sort out my uniform."
Head teacher Mr. Short said that the strict behavior code allows for higher levels of engagement and more progress to be made by all students.
Ross McNeil, the NUT's Assistant General Secretary, said that teachers are being pressurized to use rigid sanctions and penalize students where there can be complex reasons for misbehavior, including hunger, tiredness and anxiety.
He said that zero-tolerance policies miss the point and can be counterproductive.
Teachers are worried about the levels of anxiety, self-harm and disaffection they're witnessing, Mr. McNeil said. Behavior sanctions often aren't the answer. We need smaller classes, flexible engaging curricula and pastoral support.